Good evening, Kenwood. Connor from John Cleese Car Audio here again. This time I'm starting from outside because I thought I'd show you this Porsche Cayman we just completed. The reason I'm starting outside because I want to show you where we put the dab area on this one. Actually put it on the rear windscreen for this job. We can do this on a few cars. Premium installation takes a bit longer because obviously cable run, but you won't have it in your peripheral vision when you're driving, so it's a bit neater. Let's get in the car and I'll show you what we've done in this one. Oh. Here we go. Right, there we go. There's the money shot right there. It's got the Kenwood DMX 8020 fitted, capacitive touchscreen, so super responsive. This one's got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless or wired. So you've got the best of both worlds. It's got DAB radio, got standard Bluetooth connectivity. If I go to the home button, there we go. We have FM radio for when you lose DAB radio. You've got HDMI in. Handy if you want to, you know, expand options on the unit, like plug an Amazon Fire Stick in, mirror your iPhone on. You've got wireless screen mirroring from an Android phone, which is a nice feature. That's about it from the source functions. You've got the colour matched fascia panel, which you can see here. It's quite a good match, this one, actually. Some cars you don't get a very perfect match, but this is near on, spot on, real good match on the Porsches. In the centre console, we have put the, sorry for the bad filming here, but I'm trying to get the angle right. There's the two USBs, just located here, out the way. Most commonly won't use them, but they're there, just in case the customer wants them. We've also done a speaker upgrade in this car as well. All the speakers in the front and rear upgraded. Kenwood head unit does these proud, loads of power in this unit here to actually power these new speakers properly. And also, oh, just noticed, Kenwood's new Pro Install Review program. So there's a QR code on the back. You can actually review the product you've had installed and also the company that fitted it as well, if you fancy it. But yeah, all in all, Porsche Cayman install done really well. This is the Gen 1, but we can also do Gen 2s. We can do 996 Porsches, 997s, 991s, 981s, 911s obviously. Yeah, so give us a shout if you like what you see. Cheers. Bye.